Hi, my name's Jason from the Clothesline Store, and in this short video we're going to tension the cord on a air dry folding frame clothesline. Now when you do this, be very careful, do not over tension it. It does not have to be like a piano because you may actually damage the clothesline. So we start from the back and we pull the cord forward toward us like so until all of the cords are tensioned. And you may need to do this a couple of times. And what we do when we get to the last cord, we just hold this and hold it firm, and we just pull down. And we just repeat the process, as I say, several times until we're happy with the tension on all the cord. And then we come up to here and we tie the cord off as per the instruction manuals. And we just do a half hitch like this, put it around here, pull it in here and tuck it in, and that's all that we have to do. So thanks for visiting the Clothesline Store. My name's Jason, and bye for now.